Hello and welcome back to Crazy for Health with me Megha. Today I'm going to show you how to make a zero oil dhaba style paneer masala recipe. If you like the recipe, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, share this recipe with your friends and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video with me again. Without any further delay, let's get started. First, we'll marinate the paneer. So take turmeric powder and some Kashmiri red chilli powder and coat the paneer pieces well with the spices. Now take a pan and heat it up. Once heated, add in the paneer cubes and roast them from all the sides till they turn slightly brown in color. This will take around 1 minute. Keep tossing the paneer cubes. Once done, take them out in a plate. And now we'll make the gravy. For that, I'm taking cumin seeds, that is jeera, bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom pods, cloves and dry red chillies. Now we're going to dry roast the spices. Keep stirring the spices till they are roasted. Now add in chopped onions. Now keep stirring the onions well till they turn slightly brown in color. At this stage, I'm going to add just a dash of water so that the onions are cooked properly. Since we're not using any oil, we'll be using water instead of oil. Adding water will make the onions brownish and will cook properly. Once the onions are sauteed well, I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste and stir well. Once done, I'm going to add some roasted gram flour, that is besan. You can also use sattu instead. And we'll again stir the mixture well. Now add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder and mix again. Keep the flame to low as keeping them on high heat might burn the mixture. Add in a little bit of water again so that the masalas are nicely cooked. Next, I'm adding tomato pulp, and mix again. Add in salt to taste and cook the mixture for around 5 to 7 minutes. Next, I'm adding Everest Sabji Masala. You can either add garam masala if you want, or you can use sabji masala from any brand. Adding sabji masala gives it a unique taste that we get in the restaurants. Next, add in water. Stir the mixture well. Cover and cook for around 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. The gravy is well cooked now. There is no raw flavor coming out from the onions or tomatoes. Now add in some fresh cream. If you don't have cream, add curd. This will make the mixture a little lighter and more richer. Finally, add in Kasuri Methi and stir well. Add in some Slit green chilies for taste. The Paneer Masala gravy is ready. Now I'm going to add in the paneer pieces. Mix it well with the gravy. The gravy is looking a little bit thick now, so I'm going to add just a little water. And we will again cook this covered for around 3 to 4 minutes till the paneer absorbs the flavor of the gravy. Wow, the paneer is finally ready. This tastes as delicious as it looks. It has zero oil in it. And you can have it as much as you want without any guilt. So serve this delicious Paneer Masala Dhaba style with your paratha, roti or rice and enjoy the flavors of Dhaba style at home. The paneer masala is ready. Sprinkle some coriander leaves and serve hot.